All right, welcome back to Big Break Sports Cards. This is Kevin. It is officially now. It's actually Saturday, February 13th, because it's 12:30 in the morning, and we're doing a dual box break here, or a single box break of 2014 Crown Royal for Kanakry and Curbs. We've done the random already. The random landed in the fifth spot with Curbs up top, so he'll pick first. We're gonna do a pack hit draft. So here's the box, guys. Good luck. Here we go. Yeah, man, that's what it's all about. It's like, yeah, back in the day, man, opening up a box, splitting with your buddy. I do that with my friends sometimes. I'll order a couple extra, like, lower end stuff just for fun to open it, and we'll split it. We actually did it like this, but we did it before you open a pack, so we each picked our own packs. I ended up getting the rookie patch auto and the auto, and he ended up getting two patch cards. And one of them I got was a freaking Sammy Watkins number to 15 rookie patch auto. It was from Rookies and Stars. Which we actually had very good luck out of Rookies and Stars. So here's pack number one. This is going to be considered pack one when you guys draft. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Thank you guys so much. This is pack number one. I haven't opened these in a good bit, so here we go. Bear with me. All right. We got one of the foils, Dominique Easley, Patriots. That's a foil card, numbered 185 out of 199. Dominique Easley. Me too, man. Big hurt all day, dude. I love the White Sox. White Sox and the Raiders. Silver and black. All right. Ryan Matthews, Chargers, base. And T.Y. Hilton, base from Indy. And then the King's Court, Allen Robinson, Blake Bortles, Marquise Lee. These are not, this one's not numbered. Jags, and here you go. Here's a silhouette. This is what I was talking about. These are the silhouette rookie autos. Brandon Coleman. This is an on card though. Actually, the on card ones are the rookie patch autos. But Brandon Coleman, the Saints silhouette. That's a foil version. It's gonna be shorter print. 38 out of 75. So 38 out of 75. Brandon Coleman foil autograph. All right. That's pack one. Pack number two. Adrian Peterson, Master Craftsman, insert, not numbered. And we got Telvin Smith, base. Michael Floyd, base. RG3, base. And another autograph foil from the Packers, Richard Rodgers. Autograph rookie. There you go. And that should be numbered to 99. 22 out of 99. Richard Rodgers, rookie autograph, foil variation. Packers. And that was a filler card. So that's pack number two. So we got two autos so far. Hopefully we get an extra auto, maybe. That would be nice. Always nice to get an extra auto. We're guaranteed, I think, two autos and two relics. So maybe we'll beat the odds today. All right. We got Blake Bortles, Panini's Choice Award insert. That's not numbered. And we got Isaiah Crowell, base. JJ Watt, base. And then we got Dominic Sue, Master Craftsman, green foil. This should be numbered. Nope. Guess not. Dominic Sue, green foil, Master Craftsman. And one of the Pro Bowl patches, Paul Posluszny, Jags, from his Pro Bowl jersey. Number 473 out of 499. There you go. Yeah, I know. Jags. 2014, year of the Jaguar. All right. That's pack 3, guys. Let me get them all on the screen here so you guys can see. Pack number 4. Here we go. All right. Good luck, guys. Taylor Gabriel, green foil. That's 1 out of 5. So 1 out of 5, Taylor Gabriel, green foil variation, Browns. We got Chris Johnson, base. Doug Martin, base. Knights and Squires, Jimmy Graham, Eric Ebron, not numbered. And Carlos Hyde patch, heirs to the throne. Carlos Hyde rookie patch, numbered 185 out of 499. So Carlos Hyde, there you go. Heirs to the throne. So those are the 4 packs, guys. Curbs picks first, Kanakry goes second and third, and Curbs picks last. I know, right? If you need me to run down the hits again, pack 1, I'll put them right on top. Pack 1 was the Brandon Coleman autograph rookie, 38 out of 75. Pack 2, the hit was Richard Rodgers rookie auto, and it's numbered 22 out of 99. Pack 3, the hit was Paul Posluszny, All Pro Pro Bowl patch, and that was numbered 473 out of 499. And final one was Carlos Hyde rookie patch, heirs to the throne, 185 out of 499. All right, so Curbs picking first. Pack 2, just so I know, that's the one with Richard Rodgers, correct? That's this pack right here. Richard Rodgers, RG3, Michael Floyd. Yeah, okay. All right. So that's going to be going to Curbs. Congratulations. Next 2 picks going to Mr. Kanakry. You want the Coleman pack, you want the Posluszny pack, or do you want the Carlos Hyde pack? Or you actually get 2 in a row. So whichever 2 you pick, the final one left will go to Curbs. Coleman, that's the first one. That's this one right here. Okay, going to Kanakry. And now do you want Posluszny or Hyde? Take Hyde. All right. So you get Carlos Hyde. I don't know if you guys forgot or not, but I mean, I know it's not really a big name at all, but there was also that green foil 1 of 5 Taylor Gabriel in there. So Carlos Hyde. All right. Posluszny going to Curbs right here. Dom Katsu, green foil, JJ Watt, and Isaiah Crowell. All right. So now, thank you guys. I'm going to cut the stream so I can get this up to YouTube. I'll be right back. And again, like I said, thank you guys so much. I'll get the Bortles in there too. Thank you guys so much. I'll be right back.